So first, let's understand some interview question related to our last discussion. First, we will prepare some what interview related questions, guys. Okay, don't worry, just give the response, right? Involve in the session, guys. Okay, involve in the session. Just give the response. No issue. Wrong answer also will acceptable here. Don't worry about that. I'm giving the wrong or right, right? Until unless if you guys are not starting, how the people will know that you are the wrong track or right track? So don't bother about that. Okay, here we are age, everyone is a similar only, so don't worry and don't think anyone is a don't think about that anyone having good knowledge or less knowledge, everyone having the same knowledge only here, right? So now my question is what, let's prepare some question, and this question is what, based on the interview only I prepared these questions, guys. Okay, so my question is what, first question just I'm asking, question is what, question is what is instance? Already I covered, guys. Okay, so can anyone tell what is the instance? Just use the chat box, guys. Okay, involve in the session, involve yourself in the session. Use the chat box, guys. Okay, use the chat box. Just I want to see that how many people are like capturing our sessions, right? Only 2 members. What about others? Okay. Yeah, no issue, guys. No issue. Let's see that. Okay, let's see that it is a object communicating purpose. Okay, so now let's understand. Okay, don't worry if you guys are not able to give the answer, I'll give it. I'll give it. Okay, but give the answer. Give the answer, right? Give the answer. So now running. I hope the people are remember running app under what? Under what? Under server. That is called what? That is called what, guys? Instance. I hope the people are remembered.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. Okay. So yesterday only we completed. Yesterday itself only we completed one what? Yesterday itself only we completed what? One load balancer client. One client. So can anyone tell why? Why load balancer client? Why load balancer client? Anyone can tell? Just use the chat box, guys. Okay, let's involve in the session, involve in the session. Let's not waste our time. After the session, may you guys will not get the time, so let's prepare ourselves here itself only, like that interactive session. Let's make it. Okay, so okay, let's say that. Okay, this is what, this is used to what, to fetch you, this is used to fetch a single instance, single instance, right? This is used to single, this is used to fetch what, single instance details, right? Details, details, this is used to fetch the single instance details. I hope yesterday I was using that this word, right? Fetching the what, fetching the, fetching the what details from the discovery client or not? Come on, discovery server or not, guys? Come on, yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Means what? Service instance, right? Service instance from what, where we, from service instance where, from where we are fetching now, from From
Eureka server.
very nice, very nice. Eureka server, right? Eureka server.
Yes, sir.
Eureka server.
Yes.
Yeah, Eureka server. And which has what? Which one will return now, guys? Which one it's returning now? Which have less load factor now?
Less load factor.
Yes.
Which has less load factor? Which has load factor. Can anyone remember that? What is that load factor?
Yes.
Load factor rules now, guys. Anyone remember it? Initial day only I was explaining. Current load, current load, and what is that? Max load. Max load. I hope the people are remembered. All those things I already covered, guys, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, okay, guys. So now one more question. Let's prepare. What is that? Load balancer client is a class or interface?
Interface.
Interface.
Yeah. Load balancer client. Load balancer client is class or interface. Question is what now, guys?
It's interface.
It is a
Interface, Ravi.
it is a interface.
Interface.
It is a interface.
Yes.
It is a interface. It's a, but how we are finding the implementation? Where it's implementation class now? Where IMPL class now? Okay, now I'm opening that one, guys. Okay, so which project was there now? So this is right. Spring Cloud product service. This one only, right? So now I'm opening now. Okay, so here what is that? Vendor REST controller is there, right? So now which one we are using? This is the interface now, guys. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah,
Interface.
so
Yes, Ravi.
but we need what? Its implementation class. Now let's open that. What is the implementation class? Let's see that. What is the implementation class now? What is the implementation class now? 1 minute, I'll show that it's super class. 1 minute. This is the interface. Extend this one. Implementation classes. What is the implementation class now, guys? Ribbon load balancer client, right?
Balancer client.
Ribbon load balancer client.
Yes.
Okay, this is the interview question, guys. Okay, because of that I'm covering. Please focus on it, right? They will ask in the interview, right? In an interview, because still whatever project is going on, we are going to learn new version, guys. Okay, but still legacy project also there in the microservices in the market, right? So they will ask what is the implementation. Okay, we are using what? Load balancer client, but that is an interface. But what is the implementation class, right? What is the implementation class? Interviewer will ask, right? So now, okay, interface, load balancer is a interface. And what is that? What is the IMPL class? What is IMPL class? IMPL class is what?
Ribbon load balancer client.
Ribbon load balancer client.
Ribbon load balancer client.
Client, right? This is the implementation class. Yeah, this is the implementation class. Okay, but what is that? Whenever we are writing, whenever we are putting the what? Ribbon dependency, right? Ribbon dependency. This will come as a what? Auto configuration, right? Auto configuration. Auto configuration by what? By what? Netflix. You want who is given this one? Now see this. What is that? Netflix people. See this. Import packages, load balancer. 1 minute. IMPL, right? What is the package name? Netflix only, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So it is So this is auto configuration by what is that? What is that? Netflix ribbon. Netflix what? Ribbon must, what is that? Must add which dependency now, guys? Which dependency? Ribbon dependency. Come on, yaar.
Ribbon dependency.
Then
Yes, Ravi.
this
Yes.
implementation will come as auto configuration, auto configurated
Auto
or not,
configuration.
right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now
Yes, Ravi.
now let's prepare one more question, guys. Okay, let's prepare one more question. Okay, so I'm preparing one more question now, guys. Okay, now our question is what is the difference? What is the difference between Eureka discovery, client, and what is that? And ribbon. No issue, guys. Just tell me if you are not able, I will give the answer, right? Okay.
Ravi, ribbon and load balancer client.
No, ribbon only side, right? Ribbon based on the ribbon only we are getting the load balancer client, right?
Yes, Ravi.
To communicate one application to other application by using ribbon.
Yeah, so first, what is that? To register. To register our application. To register our application, we are following some steps now, guys. Come on.
Yes,
We are
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
okay, we are following minimum, what is that? 3 steps we are following, right? 3 steps we are following. What is that? First step, what we are following now, guys? We are adding, what is that? We are adding
Enable Eureka client.
Eureka discovery, right?
Eureka server discovery.
Okay.
Discovery client. We are adding, what is that? Eureka discovery client. Second step, what we are doing now? We are providing what? Eureka location na?
Yes, Ravi.
Providing what? Providing Eureka location. Eureka location using what? Using which keyword we are providing the Eureka location now, guys? Anyone can tell?
Default zone.
Default zone. Using
Very
default
good.
zone.
Very good. Using what? Using Eureka client server URL default zone now, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Using this key, what we are doing now? We are giving what? We are providing
We
what?
are locating Eureka.
Yeah, Eureka client. And what is that third one? What we are doing now? Third step, what we are following now?
Enabling Eureka client.
Enabling Eureka client. Very nice. We are adding what? We are adding at main method, right? Or starter.
Yes, Ravi.
Starter class at the rate what? Enable Eureka client, right? Enable Eureka client. So we can even make intra-communication using what? Discovery client interface, right?
Yes, Ravi.
So we can even make intra-communication using what? Discovery client, right? Discovery client interface. This is also what? Interface only, right? Now,
Yes, Ravi.
but what? But this time, what is that? But this time we are using, what is that? Last time what we used? Ribbon only, right? Ribbon for what?
Yes,
For
ribbon.
for
Intra-communication. Communication.
intra-communication. What is that? Intra-communication. And for register using what is that? And for what? And what is, and for register using what? Eureka server, Eureka discovery client. But whenever we are registering, we are using the there, what is that? Discovery client also dependency inside that one or not, guys? Come on. Just what
Yes,
is that? What we are selecting ribbon as well as what to register that ribbon using which client, which disk, sorry, which dependency we are registering the ribbon now, guys? Discovery client only, right? At the time of creating that, I told, right, how many, whenever we are creating, what is that? Load balancer client, we need what? Their discovery client also. Yesterday itself only, where that application now, guys? 1 minute, where that explanation I was given? 1 minute, I'll search it. See this? Eureka discovery, no, ribbon, where that one? Yeah, see this here? Yesterday discussion, I hope the people are remembered,
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Yes.
right?
Remember.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, so now let's one more question, prepare it, guys. Okay, when should we provide instance ID now? I hope the people are remember. I hope the people are remember, because yesterday only we completed the discussion.
Yes, Ravi.
Use the chat box, guys. I want this answer from you guys only. Okay, no issue. Let's see that. I'm writing the question, guys. Okay, question is what? Our question is, when should we provide, when should we provide instance ID? When should we provide what? Instance ID. And when it is the optional? Anyone remember?
When we have multiple app,
Yeah, answer is
when
what?
we have multiple service instances.
Yes, it is optional. It is optional if we have only one instance.
One service instance.
Yeah, one instance. But what? But must provide
Mandatory.
in case of what is that? Multiple instance.
Yes, Ravi.
Multiple instance is there, right? Come on, clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so
Yes, Ravi.
okay, so the thing is, guide, how using which key we are providing the instance ID now? Anyone remembered?
Eureka dot
Choose the
instance dot service.
Instance ID.
Yeah, so now where that one? 1 minute, I'll open it. Yeah, so this is the key using what
This
we
one.
are using, right? We are using for this key only to provide the instance ID, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Vendor service wrong, right? Here, vendor service. We can provide like this also, guys. Okay, we can provide like this also, but what is that? But but recommended. Recommended is what? Recommended is what? Provide like this, right? We can provide like this also, but my recommendation is what? My recommendation is not our industry recommendation, because in the real time you will get what is that instance ID they are providing like this only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ravi.
Okay, now last question guys. Okay, last question. Okay, so okay, our last question is what? Our last question is what is what is what is what is what is random value? What is random value? Answer it. Yesterday itself only I completed this one.
Yeah, UUID.
See this,
Correct.
see this. I'm asking about this one. I'm asking about this one, guys. Okay, this is the I'm asking about this meaning.
Random is a function, Ravi, and it will return always different values.
Yes. Okay. So very nice. It will what? It will generate what? Generate one hexadecimal. Hexadecimal value using which class, using which object now, guys? UUID
UUID.
concept. You want, yeah, similar our spring also, yeah, what, using this one on this concept only. 1 minute, I will show it. Control Shift T, right? Now here I'm searching its implementation using this class only, right? Random value. No, here it will not. Ribbon, where that ribbon? 1 minute. Ribbon, we implemented this project, right? This one is na product.
Yeah, product.
Yeah. So here Control Shift T. The implementation random value random value property source, right? Random value property source, right? Using this class, using what? This random value property source, right? Using this class only, right? What is that? Just 1 minute. This one also will is using what? UUID to generate that one only. Random value. 1 minute, I'll show it. What is that? See this, guys. Random UUID, it's using or not condition. Just check you condition. How our spring is generating that what? Like what? That decimal number, that project decimal number, using what? UUID only, right?
UUID.
See this,
Yes,
see
right.
this UUID. Yesterday in core Java only. Core Java we what we seen that, right?
Yes.
Yes,
So
Ravi.
what is the implementation class now, guys? What is the implementation class in Spring to generate what? To generate UUID, to UUID, generate UUID. The class name is what? Random property source. Come on.
Value.
Yes.
Random value
Ravi.
property
Yeah.
source.
So internally our Spring also, right? So internally, okay, our Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot internally, right? Internally using class name. What is the class name, guys? Anyone? Random value property source, right?
Property source.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Using this class, what our application is generating now? UUID, right? UUID, which is there in what? Hexadecimal format. Come on, yaar.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, guys. So guys, prepare these questions answer. Okay, if you guys are facing the interview, definitely they will ask. Okay, so now let's understand our what today discussion. What? Open Fin client. What is that? Let's understand what is that open fin client, and this one only in industry people are using. So now everyone is ready with the full energy to learn what fin client now.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, be active yourself. Okay guys, be active yourself, learn the things. Okay, so learn the things. Sudhir, right? Sudhir, nowadays you are so much dull. I'm not getting any response from you. Why? Or just you are login and that's it? You are there somewhere or other else. Sudhir, mute yourself, unmute yourself.
No. Not there.
Yeah, I know that. Just you log in now. Okay, no issue, no issue. See, boss, choice is yours, right? Choice is yours. Okay, just actually today you everyone having the energy, just do the hard work. Okay, because when the time will over now, nothing will get, nothing you guys will get. Okay, now here time is there, just put your effort, do the hard work, and what, achieve your goal and all those things. Okay, except that nothing yeah, like this is the current what is that, what I can say are like in this time, you know, whoever having the little bit success as well as a little bit money, the people are giving those people only respect, right? This is like that our society now. So okay, no issue. Let's start our new discussion today, right? Today discussion, our today discussion is what, this is the what mandatory, right? Real time in the real time what people are using this client only, guys. Okay, in the real time, what is that? Open fin client, open fin client, right? Open what? Fin client. We can say what is that? Fin client. Fin client, right? Fin client. Okay, so now let's understand this client. Okay, let's understand this client. Okay, so this is also called as what? Abstract client. Okay, so last time just see that, guys. Okay, so just I'm closing all those things. Okay, just I'm why we are going to use what is that? Fin client. Yesterday, okay, I can escape what is that? Load balancer client also, but why I did not escape? If I escape, right, no one can understand what our fin client. Because of that, another way I took and I completed that what? Load balancer client. Even from the pivotal, right, our parent project also, that version is removed, but still I selected other way to what? Inject the subject to you people. Why? Okay, so now where that one spring cloud. So just only one things, guys. Okay, within the 3 to 4 month back only, I think, right, I did the practical on load balancer client. Okay, so just see that if the people is not becoming dynamic in the IT industry, how they will survive? Technology is changing like what? Fraction of second only, right? So become a dynamic person, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so what I can tell, even if you guys are not, just think about it. If I'm doing the practical before starting the session, then I can know that, right, this one is change. I don't have need to deliver. But yesterday only I break the session, and what I started to experiment on that, right? I did R&D, why they are changed and why this one is not working. After then,
Yes, Ravi.
when I concluded the things, then I said that let's connect and we will complete today itself only.
Yes, Ravi. At
Bec-
7:20.
yeah, become a dedicated person, guys. Okay, become a dedicated person by seeing that in IT industry, I know that, right, compared to what software industry, right, other industries not giving see 3 to 4 years of experience. Whoever having the 3 to 4 years of experience, right, IT industry minimum 7 to 8 lakh, 9 lakh, 10 lakh packages are giving. If the person is completed what, if the person is completed BE, BTech, like what, mechanical and all those things, their whole experiences, if they have like what 20 to 25 years of experience, they just earning what 40,000 per month. But here we are getting what? Based on our what? Knowledge, skills and experience. We are getting lakh rupees in the month only, right? So without knowledge and without skills, no one can give the job, guys. Okay, no one can give the job. Even they will give also, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Even the people will give the job also, right? If they deployed in the what project, and by seeing your performance, if you are not giving the good if you are not able to perform in the project, right, they will remove, they will fire, right? And they will give the feedback, okay, he's not,
Yes, Ravi.
yeah, he's not able to handle their designation. I faced those things in my life, guys. Okay, because of that I'm telling every time, right? Initially when I was started my career, you know, I was become too much happy. Oh, I got the job. Okay, so after 3 months, you know what they given, you are not you don't have that much capability to what survive in IT industry, like that they given what feedback to me. And even today also they are what, that manager only, you know, that manager today also, that manager is there in my touch, and whenever he is stuck, he is asking me, Ravikant, I'm stuck here, can you help me? Today he's asking, and every time he's saying that, right, he's saying that I don't know how you change yourself to, but you are the like no, 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 Pushpendra. Just I'm saying no. Okay, so just only one things, guys. Okay, hard work and a dedication need, right? I'm trying to what giving the people, just they are logging the session and just think about that they are not giving the response also. What I can say, see the people are close to me. It's not meaning that okay they will what like what we can say, they can do anything, just
Dedicated.
they fill the formality here, and they are joining other company, and they are just login or what session. No need to counting number here. Okay, if I'm if I'm really what serious about the counting number, so many institution is giving me what opportunity to come and teach here. Okay, there I will get what thousand counting number in my session. But if one
Yes, Ravi.
person, yeah, if one person is there, that's enough. Okay, if I'm able to make his what, his life better place, then that's enough, right? Nothing more than else. I don't know how many people he will help. Okay, guys, so let's understand what is that. Yeah, I forgot, yeah, what I was trying to
Open
deliver.
FinClient.
Yes,
Thin
yes.
client.
Client has
You are showing ribbon.
Yes.
1 minute, 1 minute. I'll remind it. Yes, yes. Yeah. Now let's understand. Actually, I forgot, right? I changed my track. Okay. So, okay, Spring Cloud, right? So this one only, right? So here using thin client, we will what? Not write like this much code, guys. Okay. We will not write this much code. Okay. So what is that? So vendor rest controller, na, just I'm opening now. So using what we are doing now, first what we are fetching the instance, right? We are choosing the instance, and what is that, it's returning what, one instance, plus what is that, we are preparing the what URL, and what is that, REST template. Using the REST template, what we are doing now, we are making the call to whom? Provider microservices, come
Producer.
on, right?
Yes,
Provider
Yes, Ravi.
microservices,
Yes, Ravi.
right? So okay, but here what is that, what is using which one, we are using what, service ID plus what, URL path, right?
Service ID.
Service ID and
Correct.
Yes,
URI.
Ravi.
yeah.
So instead of what writing this much code, we don't need, right? We don't need, what is that, using what, using fin client, what we are doing now, we will not write this code, guys. Okay, our what fin client will take care. We need what, we need to just give what, service ID plus what, this URL, right? Plus what? This URL, and other things will take care by whom? Our Fin client. Come on, yaar.
Fin
It's
client.
so
Yes,
in the
sir.
industry, right? In the industry, which client the people are using now? Which client people are using? Fin client only, right? Fin
Fin
client
client.
only. Mm.
Yes, sir.
Even we seen that, right? Last this client also removed from what? Removed from the Spring. Sorry, microservices. Come on. In future this what? This
Yes, sir.
client will not be there. This client will not be there because in the newer version they removed na, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so now good. So now let's understand what is that. What is the step to write our what? Fin client, guys. Okay, let's understand. We will what? We will work in the same application only. We will develop in the same application, right? Same application only. But don't worry. But from here onward, guys, be serious, because last discussion also need, and be serious, and just what? Just do the practical, because here from here onward I'm going to start what is that big project, and even rest our what is that Spring Boost